Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Commerzbank card to Apple Pay. First, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone and tapping the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, choose debit or credit card and tap continue. You can hold your Commerzbank card near your iPhone to scan it, or enter the card details manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. Once verification is complete, your Commerzbank card is ready to use with Apple Pay. And that's it. Adding your Commerzbank card to Apple Pay is quick and easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.